Today we'll be looking at coordinate geometry. And coordinate geometry involve the use of coordinate points to explain coordinate geometry. And we'll be looking at x and y coordinates. X and y coordinates, where the horizontal line is the x coordinate, which is the horizontal line, and why the vertical line is the what? Is the y coordinate. Okay, so now, having said that, we also look at the application of trigonometry to explain some of those coordinate geometry. Where we look at the distance between 2 points, we look at the midpoint, we also look at how we can get the angle between this midpoint. So now let's start. At first, we'll now look at distance between 2 points. Now let's assume you have a vertical line. You have a vertical line this way. Have a vertical line this way, which is the y-axis. Then you also have the horizontal line, which is the x-axis. Okay, so we said we then look at the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points now. So under this distance between 2 points, let's look at how we can derive this using the pattern of the coordinates. So let's assume you have a gradient of a line this way, and you have, let's just pick a slope between 2 points now. So now look at this gradient now. Okay, let's assume you have this is the gradient, and under the highest value under this y-axis is, if you trace it to this part of this y-axis, this one is y2. While the lowest value under the y-axis, which is under the vertical line, you trace it to the y-axis, which is y1. So this one is y1. So from here to here, you have y2 minus y1. While the highest value under x-axis, which is you trace it under to the horizontal line, so this one will give you x2. Okay, so if you have these gradients now, if we want to find the distance between 2 points, let's assume this is point A, and this is point B, and this is point C. This is point C. So, and you can also call this one under these 2 points, where you have the x1 and the y1. X1, y1. This one is x2, y2. So now let's look at what we can, how we is equal to root x2 minus x1 everything squared plus y2 minus y1 everything squared. So this root will cancel this square. So the distance between 2 points will now give us what? AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 everything squared plus y2 minus y1 everything squared. Now this is the formula to calculate the distance between two. Okay, now let's look at a particular question. They say find the distance between the 2 points. The first point is 2, 5, open bracket. Let's call this one point A. Then the second point is 5, 9. Okay, so now this is the first point, point A and point B. They said you find the distance between the 2 points. So for you to read this one, you call this one x1, this one x2, then this one is y1, this one is y2. So now let's substitute. So 5 minus 2 will give you what? 3 square plus this 9 minus 5 will give you 4 square. So this one will not give you root. What is 9? This is 9. That's 3 square. Yes. Plus 4 square. That's 16. So this one will not give you 9 plus it will give you what? Root what? That's 9 plus 16 will 25. Give you 25. So what is root 25? 4. Root 5. Root 25 is equal to what? 5. So that means the distance between these 2 points of the given coordinate